And we're back. Hi, Nathan here again from Pioneer Chrysler in Mission. Now we're starting to get in that new inventory. So without further ado, I give you the 2021 Compass Trailhawk. Check her out. Don't like the V6? No worries. Don't like the V8? No worries again. 2.4 liter multi-air 4-cylinder engine. Save that fuel with just amount of power just to make sure you get yourself up the mountain, as this vehicle is trail rated. So Jeep makes sure that once they have that trail rated badge, it has gone through all the testing. So if you do want to go off-roading, nothing's gonna break, nothing's gonna puncture, and your vehicle will hold up. So here we are inside. Now Jeep has really stepped it up in the last decade on the interior. So we've got the vinyl and leather seats. We've got heated seats, heated steering wheel. All right, you got your 4x4 locking here. So you've got your snow, your sand, your mud, your rock, trail rated, as in the name. So in the controls, you got everything here on your touch screen. You got your climate control if you want to be controlling each sides of the vehicle. Now, probably the best thing about this, I think, is the panoramic sunroof. Oh wait, come back, one more thing. It also has the Alpine sound system, so you know you're gonna need some really good music for when you're going off-roading. All right, that pretty much sums it up for the 2021 Compass Trailhawk. Now, if you have any questions, queries, concerns about any of our inventory coming in or going out, please feel free to give me a call. My name is Nathan. You can reach me at 604-329-3693. Once again, that's Nathan at Pioneer Chrysler Jeep and Dodge in Mission, 604-329-3693. Make sure you call me. If you don't, I will hunt you down. Just joking, just joking. 604-329-3693. See ya.